Hey everyone, Kevin, KW's Disc Golf, yet again. Today we've taken a look at the MVP order that just came in. You guys won't see this video for a little while. I can't post it until next week, but make the video now. And let's see what we got in here. I got some more towels. These are really nice towels. They sold out pretty quick last time I had them in. Grommeted, bag hook, all that stuff. Got more towels. I picked up a couple beanies just for the heck of it. I had a person ask me about them, so I was like, I'll grab a couple of them. Nice hats, though. And with this order we have the new plasma volts. We got the first runs and regular runs, and we got the new Fission plastic volts, and new Axiom Wrath and Proton Insanity. So just got a little bit of everything coming in, all the new stuff. Take a look. First run plasma volts. I've had this color shifting, I don't know, it's like a purple before, but I don't know, for some reason this one looks even better than the other ones. It's pretty cool. The green sparkle. Remember, you can check all these out, kwsdiscgolf.com, kwsdiscgolf.com. They launch April 17th, which I believe is next Friday. So we'll just double check the calendar. Yep, next Friday at midnight these will be live. And that one's got glitter in it too, in the plastic. Cool. And regular run. And now we get the new Wrath, looks like. New distance driver from Axiom. So no, that's not all I got, I don't think. They're buried somewhere else. And Proton Insanity. Light stock refresh on a couple other things. A couple of just inertias. A couple Neutron shocks. There's some more Wrath. All white flight plates for me. I like it. And we got here Fission Volt. Fission micro bubble technology. Can't really see they're not see-through. Plastic, it's hard to tell. It's definitely a different kind of blend plastic. It's hard to really say what's going on with it. You can't see anything with the naked eye really. But it's supposed to be, you know, lighter flight plates, lighter cores, and a lot more gyro on the outside. I'll have to do a little bit more reading on that, on the Fission. More Proton Insanities. That's it for this order. Just like I said, got a few of each of the new things and a couple discs otherwise restock. And that's it. Plasma volts, first run plasma volts, fission volts, proton insanities, neutron wraith, or wrath. And that'll do it for this run. See ya.